Hi, first graders. Happy Thursday. I'm so excited because today is our day to recite the poems that we've been practicing. So let's read our learning target. By the end of today, I will be able to recite a poem for the class. So yesterday, I asked you to choose a poem, either one of the poems that I share with you in the slideshow, or one that you've written yourself, or one that you found on your own. But I hope you've chosen a poem, and I hope that you've been practicing it, because today, I'm going to show you how you can use a program called Flipgrid to record yourself reading your poem and share it with the class. So when you recite a poem, it means that you're reading it out loud to someone, or even sometimes people practice a poem so much they don't even have to look at the paper. They have it memorized and they can say it on their own. So I hope that you've practiced your poem that much that you could either say it without looking or read it really well and clear off your paper. And then when you're ready, you're going to use a program called Flipgrid. So I know Mr. Vitale's class has been using Flipgrid, but I think it's new to all the rest of us. So I'm going to show you how it works. So give me a second and I'll pull it up to show you. So on the weekly schedule, there was a link that's on the word Flipgrid. And if you click that link, you're going to see, let's see. Okay. If you click that link, you're going to see it's going to look like this, and it says first grade poetry share, and you're going to click on this one that says log in with Google. So when you log in with Google, that means that you have to use your @fcpsschools.net email, and so I logged on as Benny just to do a practice one to show you what the kids side looks like. Benny, I hope that's okay. So it's going to be your number and then @fcpsschools.net. And your password is going to be your normal password. And then when you do that, it'll say login successful. And then it's going to bring you to our Flipgrid. So if you go down, you're going to see two things. The first thing you're going to see is this green plus sign. That's what you click to make your own video. And then anyone else who's already made their video, you're going to see here with their picture. So here's mine. I'll play it for you guys so that you can hear my poem. Hi, first graders, here's my poem. It's called Be Glad Your Nose is on Your Face by Jack Polutsky. Be glad your nose is on your face, not pasted on some other place. For if it were where it is not, you might dislike your nose a lot. Imagine if your precious nose were sandwiched in between your toes. That clearly would not be a treat, for you'd be forced to smell your feet. Your nose would be a source of dread, were it attached atop your head. It soon would drive you to despair, forever tickled by your hair. Within your ear, your nose would be an absolute catastrophe, for when you were obliged to sneeze, your brain would rattle from the breeze. Your nose, instead, through thick and thin, remains between your eyes and chin, not pasted on some other place. Be glad your nose is on your face. There's my poem. I can't wait to see yours. So when you get here, you're going to press that green plus, make your own recording. It'll walk you through the steps of doing it. And then after you've made your recording, you can see everyone else's recording and see everyone's great poems. Now notice, and let me stop sharing. So notice when you read your poems, the first thing you want to do is say the title. And then if you know the author, or if you're the author, after the title you say the author. So if it was your own poem, maybe it was, if my poem was called Ice Cream by Miss Vanderhoff, I say Ice Cream by Miss Vanderhoff, and then I'd say the poem. And if it's a different author, then you say the title, and then you say the author's name. And if you don't know the author, you can just say the title and then start. Okay, so I can't wait to see on Flipgrid all the great poems you've been practicing. Can't wait to see your videos. And I hope that you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you guys later.